Hi everyone, I'm happy to announce that we have some exciting new updates surrounding our AutoCAD export integration. First things first is that the AutoCAD integration will now go into Autodesk 2026. So if you type in h2x import, you can use the existing integration as it's been used on the previous 2024 versions. The next exciting update is that we can now bring the underfloor heating loops across into AutoCAD. So the process is the same as it was previously. So you select the JSON file here, select the heating pipes layer that you want the heating pipes to be brought across to in AutoCAD. Same for the valves. You can also select your block libraries, and that's the same for the plant and the risers. Once you hit export, you'll then be able to open those drawings from your system documents. So now if I go to open a document in AutoCAD, I can select the ground floor and the first floor system designs. So I open the ground floor first. You can see that the underfloor heating loops have been brought across as polylines, so they are now fully editable, and you can review the properties on the menu here. As with before, you can copy this entire design, copy with base point, and select the reference point 0, 0, and you can then go into your working drawings, paste it. In this particular example, I need to rotate 90 degrees, so give me a moment to sort that out. And we can transfer this directly on top of our working drawing in AutoCAD. Using our reference point and aligning it to the same point on that drawing. And you can see there we've got all of our loops transposed directly on top of our working drawing. We can click onto them, we can edit them. You can see our cylinder's been brought across as well. And as before, we can still get our heating system layout for the second floor, or for the first floor, sorry. Which indicates all of our radiator locations, our riser locations, and some of our pipe filter details, as per the ones that were selected at the result stage in h2x.